All right. I think it should be working now. Good afternoon, everybody. Long time no see. Let me know if you can hear me. I think it should be working now. All right. Can somebody tell me if you guys can hear me? Good afternoon, everyone. Buenas tardes. Okay, finally, yay. All right, I was a bit worried. Good afternoon, Julie. Where are you watching us from? Good afternoon, everyone. I haven't hopped on here. Hola, Rayo, ¿cómo estás? Mucho gusto. Hola, Karen. ¿Cómo estás? I will be unwrapping my combo card today. I finally got it in the mail after 2 weeks. California. All right, so I will be unwrapping my combo card with you guys. I was approved for my green card a few days ago, but my combo card just came. I was approved for my combo card 2 weeks ago, but it does take about 2 weeks for the card to come in the mail. So that's what I got first. So I'm excited to open this with you guys. I owe everything to this organization. Sorry, me veo un poquito fachuda because I just got back from running errands, but it came in the mail today, and I was like, I need to hop on and unwrap it with you guys, with Dreamers Together. Hoy estaré abriendo mi tarjeta combo. Ya fui aprobada para mi residencia, mi tarjeta verde, green card, hace unos días, pero me acaba de llegar el combo card y fui aprobada por el combo card hace 2 semanas, después de que le pedí a UCIS que me lo adelantara. Entonces me acaba de llegar y la primera cosa que voy a hacer es abrirlo con ustedes. Voy a esperar hasta que un poquito más de personas se unan. Pero si tienen cualquier otra pregunta, la pueden hacer. Aquí estoy para contestarles. No los he visto en mucho tiempo, los extrañaba. ¿Cómo estás, Rayito? Hi, Julie. I don't think I've ever seen you on the chat. Julie, Luz, Luquín, ¿qué es el combo card? Hola, buenas tardes. Bienvenidos a Dreamers Together. El combo card es mini residencia o mini green card. Es una tarjeta combinación que es el permiso de trabajo y el permiso de viajar, o sea, el Advance Pro. Son 2 cosas en uno, por eso es que se llama combination. Se me olvidó hacer clic en los comentarios. Julie, how exciting. Congratulations. Gracias. Hola, Rayo. Rayita Vita. ¿Qué otras preguntas tienen? Yo apliqué para la residencia con la asistencia de la organización Dreamers Together hace 6 meses, en marzo. Y ya me aprobaron para la residencia hace unos días, pero me acaba de llegar, como estaba diciendo, la tarjeta combinación, que es un permiso de trabajo más el permiso de viaje, que es el Advance Pro. Jessica Morales, ¿cuánto tarda InfoPass Emergency para que lo aprueben? El InfoPass tienes que llamar a USCIS primero. Ellos te van a llamar usualmente dentro de una semana. Ellos agendan la cita y si te aprueban ese mismo día. CJ Mendoza, ¿entré con visa de turista o cuenta como legal entry o todavía ocuparía hacer el Advance Pro? Tú tienes una entrada legal. Cuando entras con una visa, la visa es válida, la entrada es legal. Ay, los perros están haciendo ruido. Hola, Ali. ¿Qué se siente ser residente legal? Honestamente no he pegado. No he celebrado. Cuando vi que me aprobaron la aplicación, I was like, no sentí nada. No sé por qué no sentí nada. Hasta que tenga la tarjeta enfrente de mí es cuando voy a sentir la emoción. Esli Rosales, my case was changed to a new jurisdiction. It's been over a year since I applied. Will the wait be the same? By the way, it's for advanced parole. Okay, so where did you send it to? contact your congressman and just inquire about your case because it's obviously taken longer than usual. Rayo Vitia. Ok, una pregunta. Mi hijo envió su paquete de AOS el 15 de septiembre, la semana pasada, y me preguntaba que si al checar la cuenta del banco se puede saber cuánto ya recibieron el cheque. Que si ya lo, if they cashed it out, que si que si ya le cobraron. No sé si entiendo tu pregunta muy bien. Gracias, muchas gracias, Eli, muchas gracias. Todo con la ayuda de este grupo. Este grupo pude hacer el Advanced Parole y ya gracias a todos ustedes, gracias al grupo, ya soy residente legal. Julie Kaur, how long did it take you to get approved? For my green card, 6 months. Dice Rayo, porque no he recibido nada. También aplicó para la combo card. No he recibido ningún recibo. Tarda 2 semanas para recibir el recibo de los documentos del paquete. Juan M. Ramírez, tengo una pregunta. Si nos quitan DACA, ¿qué pasa con el Seguro Social? Por el momento no van a quitar DACA, solo nos están aceptando aplicaciones nuevas, ¿ok? No vamos a brincar a conclusiones. El Seguro Social es tuyo por vida. Karen Velasquez, how did you get the combo card? When I applied for my adjustment of status, I submitted the I-765, which is a work permit, and the I-135, which is the advanced parole. I expedited several times, and 2 weeks ago, they finally approved my expedite. They did not ask for any further questions. And right now, I just got it, so I'm just going to open it. Guadalupe Estrada pregunta, ¿dónde puedo pedir ayuda financiera para renovar mi DACA? Puedes ir a Mission Asset Fund. Ellos ayudan con asistencia financiera. Julie Core, wow, qué padre, muchas gracias, muchas gracias. Ok, ¿listos? Voy a abrir. A ver. Aquí viene mi tarjeta combo. O tal vez ya es la green card. All right. Con cuidado. Ahí va. Ok, mira. Este es el combo card. Ay, deja cubrirlo con los otros dedos. Ok. Aquí abajito dice serves as advanced parole. Ok. Esta tarjeta es la tarjeta combinación que te ayuda a trabajar y a viajar mientras están procesando el ajuste de estatus o la tarjeta verde, la residencia. Daniela Davila, hola, tengo una pregunta de iOS. En la forma I-485 pregunta 68B, yo pedí medical en CA, ¿tengo que poner yes? What does the question ask? ¿Qué te está preguntando? ¿Qué te está haciendo? ¿Qué pregunta te está haciendo? Si recibiste médico, entonces marca sí. No te va a afectar. Aquí está, señoras y señoras. Ay, la foto. No salí tan mal. La combo card es válida por 2 años. La mía la autorizaron del 13 de septiembre al 12 de septiembre del año 2025. Aquí está. This is the combo card. Muchas felicidades, muchas gracias. Muchas gracias a este grupo porque sin ustedes no estuviera aquí. Sari Hernández, ¿qué pasa si tu ajuste de estatus no es aprobado y tienes combo card? ¿Se te queda el combo card y solo lo renuevas o regresas a regular DACA? No estoy segura, esa es una buena pregunta. Nosotros siempre sugerimos renovar tu DACA. De hecho, renové mi DACA hace unos meses pero claro, creo que se canceló la aplicación porque ya me aprobaron para mi residencia. Pero sí, siempre tienes que estar renovando tu DACA. Mary Velasco, hola, si mi mamá es ciudadana, yo tengo DACA, sería bueno que mi mamá me hiciera una petición por hija y después hacer el ajuste cuando mi hijo cumpla 21 en 3 años. Voy a hacer AP el mes que entra. Es más rápido esperar 3 años para que tu hijo cumpla, cuando tu hijo cumpla 21, porque si tu mamá te pide va a tardar más de 20 años. Entonces espérate 3 añitos más, ya haz tu AP y ya, te va a salir más rápido eso. Marisol Ornelas, combo card no es válida si el AOS es rechazado. Gracias por esa respuesta. Eso no lo sabía. Princess, hola, ¿qué razón sería más probable que me aprobaran para un Advanced Pro? Razón humanitaria, razón dental, razón por motivos de trabajo, razón educacional. Hay muchas cosas por las que te pueden aprobar. Lo envió a las oficinas de Dallas y solo recibió donde ya lo recibieron al paquete. Ok, está bien, así está bien. Daniela Davila, la pregunta es, have you received long-term institutionalization at government expense? That's a good, I don't remember what I marked for that one, but ask in the group, post it in the AOS group. Alejandra, ya hice mi AP, viajé y todo. ¿Cómo puedo obtener mi green card? Alejandra, you have to have a petitioner. So that's either a United States citizen spouse or a citizen child over the age of 21. For me, I did it through my husband. He's a citizen and it came in 6 months. Ana Duarte, mi hermana me puede peticionar cuando cumpla 21. Te puede peticionar, pero el proceso va a durar más de 20 años y va a ser proceso consular. ¿Ok? Es posible, solo que va a tardar décadas, porque ese tipo de visas tarda un chingo. Para las citas de interview por un child, en caso lo pidan, van los datos a la entrevista, solo el beneficiario. Los dos a la entrevista, solo el beneficiario. Supongo que los dos, no estoy muy segura. No creo que he visto entrevista con padre e hijo, pero supongo que los dos. Eugenio Mora, do you guys help financially to help me renew my permit? We will have a raffle in December, but it is a raffle, and you do have to buy a raffle ticket to enter, the raffle. But we don't, at this moment, help financially. But Mission Asset Fund does do loans, and I think they also do grants. CJ Mendoza, how long should I wait to apply for AOS after marriage? The next day. You don't have to wait. You don't have to wait. If you have enough evidence of a bona fide marriage, of a legit marriage, you don't have to wait. Now, if you've been married less than 2 years, you will get a conditional green card, I think it's 2 years. If you've been married for more than 2 years, you're going to get the 10-year residency. Giovanni Mendez, does a legal entry help with the green card with marriage? It will help if your spouse is a citizen or if you have a citizen child. But yes, do it. Eugenio Mora, what was the name where they grant the loan? Mission Asset Fund. I'll put it in the chat. And how long does it take? So for me, it took 6 months. Others have been waiting longer. It could take up to 18 months. But it's usually within a year that most receive their green card status. ¿Qué otras preguntas tienen? So just to reiterate, I got married in December of 2021. And I submitted my AOS packet March 2023, and I was approved for my green card a few days ago. Actually, on Sunday. They're working overtime. Los tienen trabajando horas extras. Hello, I'm currently a DACA recipient. I've been married for almost 7 years. What should I apply for next in order to become a U.S. citizen? You have to become a U.S. resident first. So you have to submit your adjustment of status. But you can only do that if you have a legal entry. So do advance parole if you don't have a legal entry. So if you came in with a visa, that is illegal entry. If you came in without inspection, aka illegally, like most of us did, then that's why many of us have been doing advance parole to get adjusted in the United States. So join our group on Facebook, do advance parole if you don't have a legal entry already, and then submit your adjustment of status packet. But you can't just become a U.S. citizen. You have to be a resident first. Lisbeth, ¿cómo puedo verificar que no tengo ningún delito y estoy bien para aplicar para AP? ¿Has cometido algún delito? Primero, hazte esa pregunta. Y si has cometido cualquier delito, ¿tu DACA está vigente? Si tu DACA está vigente, estarías bien para aplicar para Advanced Parole, pero si no sabes lo que está en tu récord, nosotros tenemos un video de cómo solicitar el FOIA, FOIA, que es el Freedom of Information Act. El FOIA lo puedes sacar gratis. Tenemos el video en YouTube, en Facebook, y tenemos el video paso a paso de cómo solicitarlo de USCIS y de CBP. Gaby González, yo hice cita para InfoPass y fui aprobada ese mismo día de la cita, que lastimosamente ese mismo día mi abuelo falleció. Lo siento mucho. Mi pregunta es, ¿puedo volver a someter un AP para visitar a su tumba? Ya que cumplan el año, ¿por qué no lo sometes ahora? No tiene que cumplir un año. Lo puedes someter ahora. Princess, ¿hay posibilidades que me aprueben Advance Pro para una fecha específica para salir, ejemplo, entre May 15 y June 15? Sí, pero tienes que aplicar el próximo año, porque ahorita es muy temprano para aplicar para el próximo año. Recuerda que ahorita el proceso de Advance Parole está tardando de 3 a 4 meses para procesar. Sarai, ¿y cómo te sientes con la combo card? ¿Qué se siente, please? No, ahorita I don't feel anything. I have like delayed emotional response. No sé, pero se la voy a entregar al trabajo porque ya me están pidiendo, porque mi DACA se vence el mes que viene, pero se los voy a llevar al trabajo para que ya paren de estorbarme. Necesitamos esto. Ok, ya se los voy a traer. Me siento muy feliz, me siento muy, muy orgullosa porque obviamente yo llené el papeleo, pero con la ayuda de Natalie, The Dreamers Together. I'm ready. Okay, primo. Ya apúrate. Ya te estás tardando mucho. Yesenia Vasquez. My mom did AP in January. I turned 21 this April. Currently starting AOS. Can I do it all on my own or do we need a sponsor? If you don't meet the income requirements, you would need a sponsor. But if both of you, or you said your mom did AP, then she probably has enough credits that she won't need a sponsor. Lisbeth, si mi DACA está vigente. Sí, mi DACA está vigente y también tengo una casa, un caso de visa U. No me afecta aplicar por mi proceso. Si todavía estás en el proceso de visa U, puedes aplicar para Advance Pro, pero no va a adelantar tu caso de visa U. Recuerda que esa es una aplicación totalmente diferente y la visa U puede tardar 5 a 6 años. Entonces, sí, por el momento puedes viajar con Advance Pro, pero ya que te aprueben para la visa U, no creo que será posible. Luis Montoya, quick question. My DACA has been expired since 2017 and I haven't renewed it. Can I still renew? I'm tired of working cash jobs. I didn't renew in 2017 because Trump was in office and he was announcing about taking DACA away. That was your biggest mistake. I am so sorry, but you should have kept renewing. Unfortunately, you will count as a new applicant, and right now they are not accepting those applications, guys. I know what he said was terrible, but you guys should have kept renewing. You lost on a really big blessing that many wish that they had right now. So you cannot renew until they open up new applications. That's really unfortunate. Por favor, no dejen que su DACA se venza por más de un año, o si no, va a contar como una aplicación nueva. So now you are a new applicant and they are not accepting new applications at the moment. So you will be without DACA until they are accepting new DACA applications, unfortunately. Carlos Garcia, do you see a future for DACA? To be honest, I don't see a future. They're just going to keep us at a limbo because that's what they've been doing with us for the past 10 years until both the Republican side and the Democratic side come to a conclusion. We're just going to be used as bait, to be honest, for these people. When is that going to happen? It's indefinite. I don't know. We don't have that answer. I really wish I could give you an answer, but it's really unfortunate that you did not renew when you should have. But right now, like I said, all of the initial DACA applications are on hold indefinitely. You can send the DACA application to USCIS and they will gladly cash your check, but they are not going to process it. Wait, hold on. My dog is barking. All right. Depends on what state. Some states do allow people that have no status to get an ID or a license, such as California, I believe Illinois, maybe Washington. It really depends on your state. Marisol Ornelas, Yesenia Vasquez, you have to meet the income requirements. Yes, so you do have to meet the income requirements. If you don't, you'll need a co-sponsor. Yes. Claudia, tengo 11 DACA recipient. Acabo de regresar con IP last week. ¿Cómo puedo aplicar para la combo card? Tienes que tener un sponsor. Tienes que tener a alguien que te peticione. Ya sea un hijo de 21 años o un esposo, esposa que es ciudadana. I'm in Chicago. I believe Illinois allows you to get a license. Check with your state. In Oregon too. Yes, Miriam, yes. ¿Qué otras preguntas tienen? Olivia Lopez, after AP and my son is 21 and I have the credits, can I apply for AOS resident? Yes, you can. Join our sister group, AOS-Dreamers Together. Yes, you can apply. Esmeralda Juárez, congratulations for your green card and thank you for your time. Nos ayuda mucho. Thank you so much. Se los agradezco. Yes, for Illinois. Okay, so yeah, you can get a license in Illinois. Thank you for answering that, Medium. Diana Gomez, can my boss sponsor me, as in petition you for a green card or be a sponsor for the financial income requirements for your green card? Please specify. Claudia, okay, gracias por la info. My daughter turned 21 in 3 years, so she can petition me, right, with my legal entry? Yes, correct. Mira, ya no te falta mucho. 3 years pasan de volada. Gaby, gracias. Para aplicar para visitar una tumba, ¿es necesario hacerle una misa para que AP sea aprobado? Si son menos de 2 años del fallecimiento, usted puede aplicar para visitar una tumba. Si son más de 2 años de fallecimiento, sugiero que incluyas otra cosa en conjunto con la tumba. Can your boss sponsor you for the combo card? Can they sponsor you for residency? It really depends. If you have to meet really, really strict requirements, you have to have gotten DACA before 18, have a legal entry, when you first came. We do have a member that is in our AOS group that was petitioned by their employer. It does take a few years, and it is consular process. And no unlawful presence. I have never been arrested for anything. Luis Montoya, I have already answered your question. Your work permit has been expired for more than 5 years. It is going to be a new application. I'm really sorry. I apologize, but you should have renewed. You should have renewed when you could. Even a year after it had expired, you could have renewed. But right now, they are not taking, it doesn't matter if your record is clean. It doesn't matter if this or that. They are not processing new DACA applications for the moment and indefinitely. So until there is something new, until the Texas judge, which actually blocked it from happening, until he's kicked out or until somebody else comes in, they are not, doesn't matter if your record is clean, doesn't matter, it doesn't matter. They are not processing new DACA applications, which sucks. You are very welcome. ¿Qué otras preguntas tienen? All right, ¿qué otras preguntas, chicos? Where can you stay updated about DACA? Right now, USCIS, that will be the direct source, USCIS. But right now, they are not accepting new applications. Wendy, did you use your combo card? I just got it today. I'm going to use it and give it to my HR because they're already bothering me about it. Shelly Cortés, mi papá se acaban de hacer residentes y yo soy mayor de 21 años. El entrar al país con IP puede ayudarme que el proceso de inmigración sea más rápido y no tarde tantos años. No te va a ayudar porque ellos son residentes y de todos modos va a tardar 20 años. La manera más fácil es si te casas con un ciudadano o si tienes un hijo mayor de 21 años que es ciudadano. Ellos sí te pueden pedir, pero va a tardar mucho. Bessie, I was doing consular process, but I just did AP and I will be doing AOS soon. My question is, if I have an I-130 approved, do I still need to submit proof of marriage? And question number 2, do you guys help filling out the forms when booking an appointment? Yes, we do. If the I-130 is approved, then you would only need to send the 485 and I believe the income requirements and the medical packets. But yes, we do help with filling everything out. Julie Core, are the income requirements when doing AOS? Are there income requirements? Yes, there are income requirements. Lisbeth Ponce, quiero aplicar para dental. Necesito solo 2 estimados de aquí y de mi país. Correcto. Y el estimado, el estimado dental en español tiene que estar traducido y certificado. Tenemos las guías en nuestro Facebook. Can I apply for citizenship even if my DACA is expired? My record is clean. No, you may not apply for citizenship. If that were the case, everybody would have citizenship right now with a clean record. You have to have a legal entry and then do adjustment of status or get your residency through a spouse or through a child over 21. Wait 3 years and then apply for citizenship. Wendy Baten, your combo card get approved and your residency right after? Yes. So my combo card was approved 2 weeks ago on the 12th, and I just got it. So it took 2 weeks for them to process everything. And then my green card was approved on Sunday. So I'm going to wait for, I'm still waiting for my green card. And I'll do another live unwrapping that. Saraí, cuando te pide un hijo mayor de 21 años, ¿tiene el hijo vivir contigo? No tiene que vivir con usted. Jessica, si tengo el valid entry con AP, si me caso with a U.S. citizen, ¿qué tanto se tarda en agarrar la green card? Depende de en qué centro de proceso, porque cada estado hay centros de procesos que se mandan. A mí, mi green card se tardó 6 meses, pero puede durar 1 año o hasta 18 meses. Pero For the most part, it takes less than a year. Memin Martinez, I want to apply for AP, but I'm scared. I had a deportation in 2005. That is okay. It's fine to be scared. Search up Wilmer Palacios, search up Hugo da Silva, and many other members have traveled with advanced parole with a deportation order. Sarai Escoto, how long after combo card approval does it take for your green card approval? For me, it took 2 weeks. It took 2 weeks, but for others, it can take longer. It really just depends on your field office. But for me, it took 2 weeks. My combo card was approved 2 weeks ago. My green card was approved a couple of days ago, but I haven't received that one yet. I'm assuming it's going to come in like 2 weeks. I have my second brother who is citizenship. Can he help me? He can petition for you, yes, but it's going to take 20 years. 20 plus years, depending if you're from Mexico, close to 25 years, and it will be consular process. It's going to be consular process. So yes, possible, but it's going to take decades. Rocío Sosa, hola, el 2 de septiembre mandé mi paquete para obtener mi residencia y se me pasó pedir mi combo card y yo no lo puedo pedir. Creo que sí puedes mandar el I-131 y el I-765. Haz una publicación en nuestro grupo de ajuste, pero creo que sí es posible. María Pesina, inmigración te manda emails aunque no llenases la forma para que te manden información para el AP y cómo saber si ya cobraron el money order. Gracias por todo. That's a loaded question. A mí no me mandaron ningún correo electrónico. A mí me llegó los recibos. O sea, mandé mi paquete de ajuste de estatus y dentro de 2 semanas me llegó el recibo. Ya recibimos tu pago en el monto de esto. XXX. Congratulations, best wishes. Muchas gracias, Salo. Gaby Ramos, hi, does the government shutdown could affect anything with the AP application? It could, there could be delays. I really don't know, and I don't want to give the wrong information. I don't want people to jump to the wrong conclusions. I don't want people to start panicking, but there could be delays. Could be, not sure. Luis Montoya, have proof being part in this country of my life as a baby. Can the years be less or it doesn't matter? I wish the years could be less, and I really wish there was something else. But if that were the case, then many of us would have already jumped on getting the residency, probably be citizens by now. It takes 20 years if your sibling petitions you. It doesn't matter if you've been here as a baby, if you were, the wait is going to be the same. Jaime Mendez, I just got my Mexican passport today. I need to renew my DACA in October. Then I will start my AP process. Looking forward to get help from Dreamers Together. I am so excited for you. Yes, on the right track. Y Cortés Margarita, mi recibo de AOS el 17 de febrero y en agosto me pidieron RFE. Lo mandé luego. ¿Cuánto más se tardan para dar una decisión? Eso depende de las personas que están revisando tu caso. Algunos oficiales procesan todo y te dan una respuesta dentro de una semana, pero otros pueden tardar semanas o meses. Kelly Vanegas, Dreamers Together always. We all we got. Luis Montoya, thank you for your time. Thank you for your questions, and I really hope your situation improves, and I really hope that they start processing new DACA applications because many are still in limbo. ¿Qué otras preguntas tienen, chicos? What other questions do you guys have, and where are you guys watching from? A ver. De nada, Rocío. Kelly Vanegas, I'm applying for AP to see my 99-year-old grandma. What documents do I need? Oh my God. Well, first off, congrats that your grandma's still at a really, really good age and that you're able to visit her. You're going to need a medical letter from her doctor, or as we call it, constancia médica. That's all you're going to ask. You're not going to say, I need it because I'm going to do advanced parole. I need it because I need to do some immigration documents. All she has to ask for is, hey, just give me my medical resume, medical record, my medical summary, constancia médica, doctor's letter. You're going to translate that, your birth certificate, your parent birth certificate, her birth certificate. Everything that's not in English needs to be translated and certified. Memín Martinez, gracias por tus palabras. You guys are the best. Thank you so much. Without y'all, we are not. We are nothing. Las preguntas. ¿Puedo expedir mi combo card con una Advance Pro que tengo pendiente desde marzo 2022 que fue enviado a Texas? ¿Ya metiste tu paquete de ajuste de estatus? You can expedite your combo card. Yes, you can expedite it. And they might or might not ask for more information. Will you be doing translations soon? We are working on it. We are also asking for more volunteers because the translations are a lot of hard work and we need more hands on deck if we want to have, a more efficient translation process. So if you guys are interested, we did make a post on Facebook and all of our social medias for volunteers needed. Miriam Teles, what proof of income can I offer for AOS? What proof of income can I offer for AOS if I have my own business? Your tax records. I don't know if you own your own business, would it be like a 1099 or like a W-4? I'm not sure. But yeah, like tax records, bank statements. Jaime Mendez, I'm planning on doing AP with work-related purposes. Is it a good reason to apply if my company wants to send me to their Mexican location to train their employees? That's an excellent reason. That is an excellent reason. Maria, I just sent my AP application. How long can it take to get approved? It does take 3 to 4 months. Do the translations need to be formatted like the originals? We have examples on translations. You can click on my name. I've posted my translations. It doesn't have to be exact. But I mean, if it's like a doctor letter, the doctor's letter at the top usually has like the hospital name, doctor name, the seal. You can just put seal, and for their signature, obviously you're not going to copy their signature. You can just put parentheses signature. Okay, for an LLC business, yeah, tax returns. Tax returns. Are you part of our AOS group, Medium? Okay, sí. Entonces sí, the tax returns is what you will use as income requirements. Gabby, another question. I want to go to El Salvador to visit my sick grandfather, and the letter I need to make, can I include my son, for example, for them to meet him, or is that too much? I haven't seen them since I was 3 years old, but I'm about to turn 20 and only child from my dad that passed away when I was a baby. Yeah, you can include that in your declaration, in your statement. Washing and mi lunch break in Oregon. How's the weather up there? Mi pregunta es que le hice otra pregunta. Ok, hazla otra vez. Sorry, Rayo, es que se me enciman las preguntas. Hazla otra vez, no tengas pena. Thank you, de nada. Cloudy. It's 95 degrees here in Texas. Thank you very much. Lupis, hello. I recently sent my application to be able to travel to my home country, but my passport is close to its expiration date. Should I wait until they tell me to send the new? No. You have to renew your passport now. Do not, guys. PSA, everybody that's watching, get your passports. If they're about to expire, get yourself new ones. If your family members are going to travel with you, get them their passports, because U.S. passports can take especially with the holidays coming, can take up to 2 months, more than that. So yes, renew your passport. Do not wait. They're not going to send you an RFE for a passport. You have to get that yourself. Please be responsible. Tienen que ser responsables con sus documentos. Si su pasaporte está a punto de vencerse, por favor, renuévenlos. Si sus familiares van a viajar con ustedes al momento de viajar a su país, por favor, consígales sus pasaportes. You are welcome. Los pasaportes americanos pueden tardar más de 2 meses y ahorita con los holidays, con los días festivos, with the government shutdown, that could also affect passport processing. So guys, be responsible. Do not wait until the last minute. I've seen many members from last year complaining that they don't have their passport yet. Well, then you should have done that last year. Come on, a little bit of tough love. Lo necesitan. Cristina Scorza, my mom went to an attorney that was recommended by her friend. They did an application that later we found out it was that she suffers abuse from her children. She got approved and was able to travel with the combo card she got. After that, she applied for AOS. So the attorney lied. That's an issue. All right. Since my DACA expired and continue making money with jobs that pay cash, I won't get in trouble. You have to do what you have to do, right? Dura hasta un mes de que les llegue un recibo el cobro de aplicaciones. Yes, that's what I just... Yeah, le había contestado su pregunta. Sí, puede tomar semanas. A fraudulent vow from an attorney, I'm not surprised. That is really, really... I have no words, but... Do your own research. No le creas a tía que escuchó de su vecina. No le creas. Yes, everybody does have to do their own research and look at the attorney reviews. And if you don't feel comfortable working with an attorney, work with us. Or you can also hire one of our vetted attorneys. We have a list with about 5. Oh, I said that it doesn't matter that you have to do what you have to do to earn money. So if you have to work cash jobs, then that's fine as long as you're telling Uncle Sam, because, right, you still have to do your taxes. Gaby Ramos, does it matter how long ago I've had my birth certificate? A copy of the original. I had the copy since 2021. No, that's fine. Créanle a Charles Cook. Dude, he's like top 5 in the U.S. Immigration lawyer. Purple, aquí hay money so I can grow big biceps. All right, any other questions? Guys, please keep the comments appropriate. You are very welcome. Yeah, if you guys have translations from years ago, it's fine, right? I mean, if you guys want, you guys can retype the translation and sign it with a fresh date. But if it's from a couple of years old, then it's still a valid translation. Sarai Hernández, al menos que la vecina sea parte del grupo Dreamers Together. That's right. Kelly, that sounds like a private matter that you shouldn't be... Yeah. Sarai, así. Yeah, I would keep that confidential, but that's some sketchy business. If new applications ever come back for DACA renewals, would you guys be able to help me? Yes, we actually have a DACA renewal video. So yours would kind of be a renewal since you already had DACA in the past. You just didn't renew it. We have a DACA renewal video if you wish to see it. It's on YouTube. Can I translate my own birth certificate and carta médica de mi abuela, or do they need to be notarized? You can translate them yourself. They do not need to be notarized. They need to be certified. What does certify mean? It means that you are certifying that you are translating this document from whatever language to English, and you sign. We have examples. Where can I find the Files tab on Facebook desktop? It is on the app. It is on the app on my phone, but I'm not on the computer. I think it's on the right-hand side or left-hand side. There should be like 3 little lines. Or maybe I'm wrong. I think you have to scroll to the right, and then you'll see like a little bubble that says Files. ¿Cuáles translations son las que tienen que ser notarizadas? Ningunas. Tienen que ser certificadas. Lo que significa cuando un documento está certificado es que tú o la persona que está traduciendo el documento certifica que ese documento ha sido traducido de cualquier idioma al inglés y lo firmas. Basically declaring you're competent to translate. Yes, that's what it means. Christina, I understand that, but how will I know if she's okay? I'm not sure. I'm not sure. You should ask one of our lawyers. Reach out to Charles Cook. But I would keep those comments to yourself for right now. Reach out to Charles Cook. Ana Duarte, can I apply AP to buy or build a house in Mexico? I feel like I've seen something similar on our Facebook page about somebody that went to Mexico to like finish some house situation. Make that question a post on the group. I think it's possible. Only if they have real estate. Okay. All right. So if you have real estate. Apenas supe de la Hola, ¿cómo estás, Lucero? ¿Qué onda? They have to prove legalities. Thank you, Marisol. Always so helpful on here. Gracias por ayudarme. En mayo aplicaré por AOS y puedo aplicar por Advance Pro al mismo tiempo. ¿Cómo vas a aplicar para AOS? ¿Tienes un esposo ciudadano, esposa o un hijo mayor de 21 años? Cuando sometes tu ajuste de estatus, tienes que mandar la forma de Advance Pro, que es el I-131, I-131 y la aplicación I-765, I-765 para que te otorguen la tarjeta combinación. Can I apply for a wedding? No, you cannot. That is not a humanitarian or a valid reason. Hijo mayor de 21 años. Ok, muy bien. Entonces, sí, puedes aplicar por AOS, por tu Advance Parole, pero metes la aplicación de I-131 con el I-765 para que te den la tarjeta combinación. Combination. I am working on AOS packets with my husband. Being the petitioner, I'm a bit confused about the working credits. Can you explain that a little bit? So you have to go to the Social Security SSI.gov to see if you have 40 credits. If you don't have 40 credits or 10 years of you working, a history of you working, then he would have to sponsor you financially. We have a whole post on what 40 credits and what income requirements are on the AOS group. I'm still learning about all the little details because I did get help from Dreamers Together with filling everything out. I didn't have the 40 credits yet because at the time it wasn't 10 years of when I started working. I started working when I got DACA in 2013. So it was early 2023 when I sent in my application. So depending on the quarter of the year, then you have the 10 credits. So I didn't have them yet. So my husband did have to use his income to sponsor me. Ay, wait. All right, I'll be right back. I'm gonna take a quick break. Ok. ¿Qué sentido tiene pedir un combo card cuando enseguida te van a aprobar tu green card? I don't know. Pero I'm glad that they did because mi DACA se vence en octubre, en unas semanas, y ya había metido mi solicitud de DACA, pero como saben, todo se ha... it has slowed down. The DACA applications have slowed down, entonces I'm thankful that they approved me for my combo card. That way I can show that to my HR. But yeah, after I expedited my combo card, my I-130 went into review like the next week. Pero no siempre pasa así. Depende del oficial que está revisando tu caso. Depende del oficial. No siempre pasa así. But mine was just back to back. Do you guys have a template for a cover letter when filing AP for razones humanitarias, like visiting a loved one? Yes, look at our guides and look at our files. We have cover letters, and you can modify it at your own discretion. Yeah, it's in the files. Yeah, you can modify it at your own discretion. We have everything. My dog is barking at the people that are doing construction in the back. Let me bring it back in. Hold on. All right. How can I help the Dreamers Together group with translations? Send an email to... Hold on. What was it? Volunteer@dreamerstogether.org. If you guys want to become volunteers, if you guys want to become volunteers, please send an email to volunteer@dreamerstogether.org. We're looking for moderators, content creators, translators, social media assistants. But you guys have to be serious about it. Don't just sign up and never help with anything. So we are looking for helping hands to keep our organization growing, especially with translations. All right, chicos, ¿qué otras preguntas tienen? Ya en un ratito me voy a tener que ir. Any last minute questions, thoughts, concerns? Muchas gracias. I will definitely get involved. I have an office at home and some time to spare. That is great. So yes, please send us an email. Pero tienes que cumplir con esos requisitos y tener experiencia. Experiencia para ser voluntario no necesitas tener experiencia. Solo tienes que querer ayudar. ¡Ay! Los perros. Yeah, you guys have to just be willing to learn and to help and assist. And learn. All right. So the guides are a bit blurry. Are there clearer versions of the samples provided? What guide are you looking at? The cover letter tells you pretty much everything that you need to send. Una amiga tiene VAWA y apenas recibió su permiso de trabajo. Ella no tiene DACA. ¿Ella podría aplicar para el Advanced Parole? No. No puede. All right, so you're gonna need a letter from your employer stating why you need to travel to, I'm gonna say Mexico, with the dates and everything, and then you're gonna need your birth certificate. You're gonna have a declaration or a statement written out why it's important for you to travel, why you can't miss those dates, etc. Luis Montoya, can I work with a fake ID and Social Security? I'm not gonna answer that question. Gracias, de nada. Muchas gracias, chicos. Ya me tengo que ir. Voy a tener que hacer unos mandados. Voy a estar aquí la próxima semana y cuando me llegue la tarjeta verde también voy a hacer un video con todos para abrirlo junto con ustedes. Muchísimas gracias. Lean las guías. Se los dejo para tarea. Bye.